Good day, fellow Glackitos. Today we have here another black box, a gun case from Glock. Will you guess it out? It is a brand new G26 Gen 5 with
Wow.
front serrations made in USA.
Wow.
Always perform chamber safety check. Clear. Comes with the two 10-round door magazines, flat based, with orange followers. Ammo reloader. 4 pieces back straps, 2 pieces with beaver tail, and the regular standard back strap. If you have bigger hands, you may use this. Install it here on this beaver tail. The unit, bore brush cleaner, barrel cleaner, polymer bore brush rod, it comes with product manual. If you're not familiar with Glocks, I suggest you open and read it. And of course, the legalities, papers, authority to transport firearms or PTT, and ammunition, permit to transport, and also the certificate of licensed to own and possess firearm, your LTAF, and your certificate of firearms registration, and receipts, payment receipts. Have it photocopied, take care of it, leave this at home, just bring the photocopies, that will do. Okay, we have here a very light and I say compact, subcompact, ideal for EDC, everyday carry, concealable, it comes with a tritium night sights with circumferential white ring for your daylight sights, standard height sights, 3-jot system from Glock. Gen 5 has NDLC slide finish. As you can see, it is darker than the previous variants, Gen 4 and Gen 5. The Gen 4 is parkerized, or I think it is blued, and then the Gen 3, especially the Austrian ones, have grayish color of the slide. The frame have a checkering still. The front finger area and the back strap area and the back grip area. Comes with an ambidextrous slide stop release lever. Gen 5 was released to cater probably the left-handed shooters. So it's quite difficult for the left-handed shooters before, especially the Gen 4 and the Gen 3, to slide stop release lever, accessing it if you're left-handed. So the option to do it is to pull back the slide if you're left-handed before, using the Gen 4 and the Gen 3 frames. But this comes with an ambidextrous, so it helps you a lot pulling it down. But it's quite hard to pull down because the recoil system is 17 to 18 pounds. So later you can upgrade that. Let's try to weigh in this baby Glock with an empty magazine. Let's see what we will get. .61 kilograms, more than 100 grams for a half kilo. Let's remove the empty magazine. Let's see what we will get. .55 kilograms without magazine inserted. Let's fill it with a reload ammo, at least 10 rounds. Let's see what we will get. Let's weigh in after loading some 9mm Montana Gold reload ammo, 147 grains. Selected Federal primer. This is my special reload for carry. Available at Glock Hub Filipinas. www.facebook.com/Glock Hub Filipinas. Visit and like their page and share it. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and ring that notification bell button for you to be updated on my new videos, especially the unboxing and the installation, some parts. Let's see what we will get. Reset. It only gives us a 0.74 kilograms, almost 3/4 of a kilo for an EDC gun. This is very, very light. You must consider this buying this model. Okay, let's chamber check again. Safety, empty. Let's remove the ammo. Our safety while unboxing. And now let's try to read or measure the trigger pull weight, stock trigger pull weight of the Gen5 G26 using our manual trigger pull gauge. Let's see what we will get. It's a 4.5 pounds trigger pull weight. Let's do some averaging. Still 4.5 consistent. .6. So this 4.5. So we average it. Acceptable compared to the Gen4 and previous model, which give us around 5.5, 5.8, 6.0 trigger pull weight. There's a good travel, a wall, and a clean break. Let's see the slack. Acceptable for a carry gun. If you want to upgrade this Gen5 for softer trigger pull, you wanted to make it 3.5 or 3.0, just need to change the trigger connector for the 3.0 or the 3.5 pounds variant, regardless of the brand. But Glock has a recommendation for this. Glock Pilipinas tuning for your Gen5 as per the purpose of EDC or carry. and you change the firing pin and firing pin spring for a lighter one, like the skeletonized Matak firing pin, this one from Glock Filipinas. If you want some upgrades and firearms purchase, you can contact them, call them at 0908-881-9122. FB page is www.facebook.com/GlockHubPilipinas. Like, share, and visit their page. This one is an assembly. It is a skeletonized firing pin, lightweight. This is around 4 grams only, the firing pin itself, plus a reduced spring, which guaranteed will have no misfires, ideal for carry, lighter than the original firing pin spring, but it is proportional to the weight of the firing pin, so it will give you a deep pounding on the primer, less misfires, and it already comes with a maritime spring caps, enables you to shoot in the harsh conditions like water, sand, soil, and even on wet conditions in the sea, swamps, and other wet places. You just rock it and then shoot. The good thing with this maritime spring caps, the firing pin will not stack up. It will always move because the liquid and the debris will just flow around the funnel, and it will get out as you rock your slide and engage your trigger. This one has a round tip compared to the Gen4 flat and pointed tip. You can also upgrade your magazine base pad. As you see, there's no enough room for your pinky finger to grab the grip, so less stability on the gripping will give you more recoil and muzzle flinching. You can buy this type of base pad from Pacmeyer USA with grip extender. It extends your grip. Comes with a base pad plus 2 capacity rounds. This accommodates plus 2 up to plus 3 rounds for 9mm or 40 caliber, plus 1 up to plus 2. Just remove the existing flat base pad and replace it, so you have a better gripping. Or you can buy the magazine, the original magazine that comes with the OEM base pad of Glock, plus 2 capacity. This one has no checkering. This one has a checkering. So choose what you prefer. Important thing is that pinky finger will land a good grip. This type of magazine is also available at Glock Filipinas. Visit their FB page. Just scroll down their wall or timeline. And of course, the essential upgrade for ADC, you'll carry this one with an IWB holster. Polymer holster, IWB from Glock Filipinas also. This one is right-handed. Appendix draw. Appendix position. Problem with this holster, you cannot use a high sight holster. If you want to upgrade, you cannot use this one. Instead, you need to customize a new one like this from Glock Filipinas, a carbon holster design, Kydex material made in USA. dual purpose holster. You see, this one is angled because this is drawn behind your hips. It's a rear draw. Sample, this is the belt, and on your right hips on the rear, so it will be drawn this way. It comes with the retention screws, and you can have this change to a 90-degree position if you wanted. There's a hole provision. There. This one is tougher than the polymer one, and good thing with this is you can use high sights because it's provision for high sights. You cannot put this here because this one is for the G19. You see, the muzzle won't reach the end point of the holster. This one is for the G19 and G23 and the G45. But still, if you want to use it, you can use it. It holds well. Don't have a ready holster and you have an existing G19, it will fit. Also with G26. If you have previously customized from Glock Filipinas, you can use it as an option. Another upgrade, not only on aesthetic side, we should say for show type, but this comes with the purpose, the red pin kits. Okay, it has an extended slide stop release lever, ambidextrous, because your original is not extended, so it's very hard for you to press down when you had an empty magazine. Pressing it down will be very hard. See, because you have a 17 pounder up to 18 pounds recoil system. Can also improve that, can upgrade this one, the recoil system. It's very hard to pull down this one. This is slide lock. You can check the Philippines FB page. They have the full stainless lightened recoil spring, dual recoil system also. It's around 12 pounds, 13 pounds. It's easier to rock. So you just can rock it single-handedly. Just need to lock in that edge of your rear sight and you push it, and the slide will rock, especially in a real shooting scenario when you're already damaged your right shoulder, your right arm or left arm, and then you need to rock it single-handedly. If you have lighter recoil system, it is possible, but if you have this type of recoil system, I don't know if you can rock it single-handedly, because it is easier to rock if there's no ammo loaded. But if there's full load 10 rounds on this magazine, it will be harder to rock than an empty mag. Okay, so you need also to upgrade your slide stop release lever. This one is red for aesthetic purpose, or filmed red. It is extended, so it will be easier for you to pull down this takedown lever and slide out a red locking block trigger pin for your red team Glock. And another essential upgrade is an extended magazine release. This one is aluminum from Glock Philippines. This one is a Mata extended magazine release, the red one. As you can see, it will give you an easier access or reach to press that mag release, so you won't lose your gripping position. See, when you press it down, you are getting far from that bore axis, which is should be that position. So if you have got short fingers, it will be easier for you to reach out using this extended type. If you will purchase in Glock Hub Filipinas, you can call them at 0908-811-9122. You'll get a free Glock Shooting Sports cup.
Wow.
For your range time.
Wow.
And not a tracker cup. The Glock Hub coffee mug. The undisputed Glock Hub coffee mug since 2014. Giving it for free for fellow Glockitos, and our car vinyl, high quality car vinyl stickers.
Oh yeah.
That cannot slip from your car glass even though it is hit by a pressurized washer during your Sunday session on your car wash. So fellow Glockitos, that's all for today. I hope you consider this G26 Gen 5. If you are new to my channel, subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to ring that notification bell button for you to be updated on these types of different videos like unboxing and installations, etc. That's all for today. Enjoy your day in the range, fellow Glockitos.